Hey guys, so we're gonna do a really quick cocktail. I promise you, it's actually really quick. It's a gin cocktail. It has 3 ingredients, and I'm gonna shut up before this turns into one of our long cocktails. So here we go. We're doing a gin sour. That easy. Yes. So what we're gonna do is take 2 ounces of gin. Then we're gonna take almost an ounce, 0.75 ounce of lemon juice, and then we're gonna do equal parts 0.75 of simple syrup. There you go. Okay, we're trying to be quick. Okay, now the last ingredient is going to be an egg white. It's really important because one of the best things about this, just like people who actually like whiskey sours, is that frothiness. So a lot of people are doing whiskey sours with egg whites now. So you want to dry shake it first to kind of like, cook the egg. And with this type of shaker, I like to shake it till I feel like it's about to explode in my hand or face, or I felt it. Okay. Yep, felt the pressure. So now we're gonna add, ooh, it smells so good. I like the smell of gin. You can't see my face. And we're gonna add a little ice. And now we're going to shake. While I shake, I'm going to add some ice in here. I've seen some where they don't add ice and some where they do, but since I have the ice, let's use it. Okay, nice and cold. Alrighty, and here we go. Ooh. It's gonna froth up and clear up in a minute. Especially one of these, you want to shake to get all that. Make sure you get all that egg white out of there. Yeah, it's gone. Boom, and there you have it. An easy, quick, classic gin sour. Let's see how it tastes. Oh my God, it's so delicious. If you like gin, this is good. It's light, it's delicious, it's simple. There you go. Quick recipe for you guys when you're in a rush, on the go, or just really need a drink right away. Hope you guys enjoy. Cheers.